In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure Facebook ads performance with Whatagraph. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly integrate your Facebook ads account with Whatagraph to create insightful, customized reports. Let's dive into this process and explore how to make the most out of your Facebook ads data. First, you'll want to access your Whatagraph account. If you haven't used Whatagraph before, it's a powerful tool for visualizing data and creating dynamic reports. Once you're logged into your account, you'll need to navigate over to the Data Manager section. Here, you'll find Data Sources, which is where all your integrations and data connections are managed. This step is essential because linking your data sources correctly ensures that your reports are accurate and up to date. Next, it's time to add a new data source. You'll see an option to add a new source, typically represented by a prominent plus sign or the label New Source. Click on this option to get started. In the list of available data sources, search for Facebook ads. Once you've located it, select it to begin the integration process. This step is crucial since connecting your Facebook ads account is how you'll import your advertising data into Whatagraph. Now, it's time to authenticate your Facebook ads account. You'll need to log in and grant Whatagraph the necessary permissions. This means allowing it access to the data and accounts required for reporting. Rest assured, this is a standard procedure designed to ensure your data flows securely and efficiently. After successfully logging in, you'll see a list of the ad accounts associated with your Facebook ads profile. Here, you'll select the specific accounts you want to connect to Whatagraph. It's important to choose the correct accounts that align with the campaigns you wish to track. Once you've made your selections, confirm the connection by clicking on the Connect button. This finalizes the integration and allows Whatagraph to start fetching your ad data. With the integration complete, head over to the Facebook Ads dashboard template within Whatagraph. This is where you can begin crafting your reports. Selecting a template is your next task, and you should choose one that aligns best with the reporting needs of your campaigns. This might include focusing on specific metrics, audiences, or ad performance tracking. Finally, customize the selected template to fit your brand or specific reporting requirements. Whatagraph allows you to modify templates by adding relevant metrics or incorporating branding elements. This customization ensures that the final reports not only deliver valuable insights, but also align with your overall branding strategy. And there you have it. You're now set up to track and evaluate your Facebook ads performance effectively using Whatagraph, gaining valuable insights and making informed decisions for your advertising strategy. Happy reporting!